If you're watching this, you've probably already done your research and are really familiar with creatine. But have you ever heard of sweet lemonade flavored creatine? Because I haven't. This is a brand new flavor from Gains in Bulk that just launched and is already starting to go viral that I was able to get my hands on early because they really liked the first review that I made of their original unflavored creatine. Since I have this in hand, next I'm going to test how well it dissolves in water to see if it's still instantized and 100% soluble like the original version. And then I'm going to do a taste test and see whether or not this is really worth the hype and it tastes as great as everybody says it does. Also, since in my first video, I had some skeptics reach out saying things like I edited the footage to make it seem like the powder dissolves faster than it actually does because I had like a jump cut after I mixed it and then I showed them all up close, or that the powder doesn't fully dissolve and it actually collects at the bottom, and because of the shape of the bottle, it's not as visible. This time, I'm going to dissolve the creatine in the water without using any jump cuts whatsoever, and then I'm going to show you the bottle from different angles so you can judge for yourself whether or not it really does fully dissolve. All right, here we go. All right, this is probably gonna be pretty messy, but this is what y'all asked for. So I have the bag opened. I'm getting a scoop of the creatine out right now, very carefully, and hoping that I don't spill too much of this. This is why I do jump cuts sometimes. Okay, here we go, creatine. So here's the bottle. It looks kind of cloudy a little bit because I used cold water, and you can see it is a clear bottle. I have my funnel just like last time, and I have my powder. So maybe I'll switch hands. Spilling creatine everywhere right now, but okay, here we go. Bottle, funnel, powder, boom. There it goes. I'm gonna clean up the mess of this other creatine later. Wait. Okay. You can still see? Yeah, good. Here's the creatine. It is forming at the bottom right now, but I'm going to shake it up. It's looking kind of cloudy, but it is dissolving. There we go. So I would say that this is pretty dissolved for creatine. As you can see, there is no residue at the bottom. Of course, the water is not clear anymore because there's creatine mixed in it, but I would consider this fully dissolved because, again, there's no particles floating around. It's just water. Cool? Cool. Now that we have it, once again, fully dissolved from every angle, just looking like slightly cloudy water, and I have a creatine mess everywhere because I had to do it without any editing. Here we go. Let's do the taste test. It tastes exactly like lemonade, like normal lemonade that I had growing up as a kid or that you'd buy from lemonade stands, which is really impressive. If I didn't know that this was a creatine supplement, I would have thought that I just put like instant lemonade powder or whatever it's called to mix in and made some lemonade, which is awesome. I'm personally already used to taking unflavored creatine, which with Gains in Bulk tastes just like water because it mixes so well. But I could see how taking flavored creatine can be really valuable in just adding more variety of taste into your diet and allowing you to take this supplement in an enjoyable way. And perhaps you can even use it as a healthy alternative if you have an inclination to consume things like high sugar juice or soda. So if you're looking to get a premium quality creatine that is truly 100% soluble and is still the only completely soluble creatine brand that I've ever seen, tastes amazing, and is proven to improve your muscle growth, recovery, and performance, then pick up this sweet lemonade flavored creatine from Gains in Bulk for yourself today and enjoy your gains.